So just recently, we had a large, what we would call a mega install at our current size. You know, it's a multi-hundred phone deal that had to be done within a week, and it was a stretch. It was a lot. We had to pull in people to make it happen. Our install team could not do that on the timescale needed with our other commitments, and so we went in, we knocked it out, we executed. But afterwards, they had specific requirements. These are things that we didn't know about up front, but that are reasonable, you know, with our level of care. And so they needed us to hit every location again to make sure that they got specific niche training that is specific only to them. And so we wrote up a training regimen, and we went out and we actually trained every single location again. And so we ended up hitting every location, some locations 4 times, some locations 3 times. There's over a dozen locations. And so it was a pain, but it was so worth it for the customer because the response that we got was phenomenal. You know, it was exactly what they needed. They're beyond happy. I don't think they even reasonably expected it to be as smooth as it was. And so it was, you know, those are the kind of blessings that we want to give out, is we want people to feel like their day is just brightened by us being there.